We cut to the chase and purchased 9 of the leading utility knives on the market to determine the best options out there. Our rigorous testing was conceived and executed by professional tradesmen, dealers, and garage craftsmen, as well as those who work in our shipping and receiving department, with the data derived from on-the-job experience and function-specific lab testing. We isolated products that are best suited to distinct user needs, as well as general use. We've got the scoop on other tool accessories, including basics like the best stud finders, and PPE like safety glasses. And don't forget about our hand-selected list of the best tools in the biz. There are numerous options for cheap best utility knife, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable best utility knife from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Links in the description box for each products mentioned. Number 1. Great value option Olfa 1,072,198 Law X. The Olfa Law X stands apart from the competition on account of its long blade 3.25. That is scored to allow the top section to be broken off to expose a sharper tip section. The blade's length offers a real advantage when cutting along a feature such as a straight edge or in a slot. Conversely, when precision work is required, simply retract the blade to its shortest setting to increase rigidity. Moreover, the handle's rubber inlay combined with the flaring shape enhances the grip and, thus, the cutting control. The Law X is a practical tool, often owned in conjunction with a traditional utility knife. But it's not without some shortfalls worth mentioning. For starters, the blade carriage is constructed of plastic, which is not nearly as durable as metal. The blade lock is also a bit flimsy. Number 2. Internet's Best Utility Knife Set of 2. The Internet's Best Utility Knife Retractable Razor Knife Set is a souped-up version of the full metal body. That classic workhorse has been upgraded with push-button blade release and onboard blade storage. Additionally, a gut hook was added for tasks like peeling tight-fitting plastic wrap. In addition to these add-ons, this tool maintains simplicity and ease of use. Although we dig this model captures much of its predecessor's simplicity, we have some concerns about the additional plastic components. Plastic locks and springs are potential weak points, and this tool has 2 such parts. That said, we didn't experience any failures in our testing. When it comes down to it, this is an excellent alternative to the full metal body if you must have no tool blade changes. Number 3. WORKPRO Retractable Utility Knife. If you need a sharp blade for quick tasks requiring the control of a 4-finger grip, the compact folding self-retracting safety box cutter 2-in-1 with 2 extra blades included is the ticket. The blade release system is simple and effective, requiring no tools to operate. And the all-aluminum body of this pocket knife is light and strong. Some conveniences are sacrificed to keep this tool simple. For one, there is no onboard blade storage. Additionally, there is no lock securing the blade in the closed position, although it does lock open. Finally, the clip on our model was not as tight as we would have liked it to be. It slipped out of our front pocket more than once during field tests. That said, the clip can be removed with a star drive and bent into a more secure position if needed. Despite the shortcomings, this model is a reliable little knife that won't take up too much room in your pocket. Number 4. Kershaw Cinder Multifunction Folding Pocket Knife. The Kershaw Cinder Multifunction Folding Pocket Knife 1025 1.4-inch 3CR13 stonewashed blade is a do-it-all knife that conveniently folds and clips to a pocket or belt. The knife easily opens one-handed and provides 1.4-inch 3CR13 of gripping real estate. There are several nifty tools built into the unit, including a gut hook and a cord cutter. The magnetized 5-blade storage arm that folds out opposite the blade further adds to this model's utility. The construction is solid, and the open and close lock is well thought out. If pressed to find some issues with this cutting tool, we would say that if you are doing a lot of work with a utility knife, e.g. on a framing project or a remodel, the act of unfolding the tool may become annoying. Additionally, it is a bit bulky for front pocket storage. Number 5. Husky 21113 Folding Sure Grip Lock Back Utility Knife. The Husky 21113 Folding Sure Grip Lock Back Utility Knife is a compact knife that is easy to keep on hand. At just 10 disposable blades included thick and sporting a pocket clip, There's no reason not to carry this multi-tool on your person every day. The blade is easy to swap, and the built-in Phillips and flathead screwdrivers work well, particularly when compared to other multi-tools in the class. Although the stainless steel frame is sufficiently sturdy, the blade carriage lock is an issue. We found it to be stiff and not always reliable. For those with larger hands, you may find this tool only allows for a 3-finger grip, making prolonged use uncomfortable. Lastly, a nominal concern, albeit an important one after 5 o'clock, is the onboard bottle opener. It will work, but its narrow mouth struggles to bite into bottle caps. All in all, this compact tool can be quite helpful in a pinch and happily unimposing when not in use. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.